Changes by the minute, Lori and Mark. Republicans in the Senate have spent all day making last-minute changes to this bill to try and ensure that it has the votes to pass. Less than 2 hours ago, we finally received the text of the bill, which is around 479 pages long, even includes handwritten notes in the margins to reflect some of those last-minute changes. We're hearing a final vote could still happen tonight, but the situation remains very fluid. Senate Republicans need 50 votes, and they've had to make some modifications to get some of the holdouts on board, whether that be the deficit hawks or moderate members. For instance, Senator Susan Collins of Maine pushed for a $10,000 deduction for property taxes. Originally, the Senate bill completely repealed state and local tax deductions, a point that had Washington Democrat Maria Cantwell fired up on the floor today.
Why now? Why now, after 100 years of tax deductibility by taxpayers in this country, why are you taking away their ability to deduct, only to give a tax break to corporations who are making record profits?
It's our opportunity to overhaul our complex tax code and shift our economy into high gear.
Republican leaders like Mitch McConnell there defending their tax plan. Among some of the biggest changes would be that reduction of the corporate tax rate to 20%. The bill would also double the standard deduction and expand the child tax credit. But because of the many other changes it makes to state and local deductions, as well as the Senate version's repeal of the individual health care mandate, no Democrats are on board. And that includes Washington's 2 senators. Now, keep in mind that even if the Senate bill passes, that's not the end of this tax debate. The House and the Senate versions will have to be reconciled, their differences worked out, and there are some significant differences between the 2 versions on both the individual and business side. So this process could take weeks longer to play out. Back to you.